Good morning guys, I thought today would be a good day to start a vlog because I'm having a really homey week or 2 weeks, and sometimes these are my favourite vlogs to film and to edit. Also, I noticed these are always photobombing the clip. These are the headbands I use when I'm doing my makeup. However, today I have had a really casual morning. I'm still sorting out my office. The office tour is coming next week. Everything is here now. I've just been putting all the photos on the walls and stuff. But right now I'm actually about to head into Hull. I actually have an interview with a local newspaper. They want to do like a feature on my channel, which is really cool. So weird, but really cool. So I'm going to meet a lady called Sophie, and we're gonna go and have a chat in Costa in Hull, and she's gonna do what a journalist does. So yeah, I'm popping into Hull to chat with her, and then I actually also have quite a lot of errands to do afterwards. I'm a little bit nervous just because I don't know what she's gonna ask me, and I don't really know what to expect from the questions that she's obviously pre-thought, but I'm sure it'll be fine. Like I'm a pretty chatty person. Yeah, I just thought I would vlog a couple of days this week. Please excuse the mess, but this is the outfit I've gone for. It's literally just black mom jeans and then this black top with the funky sleeves. This is from Pretty Little Thing. I've got my hair in like this bun just because it's a little bit greasy, and I really didn't want to use heat on it, so I thought that this kind of looked okay. Because my hair's really short, it's really hard to do any hairstyles, which is kind of annoying, and I probably won't film anything until afterwards, but I am then going to get my nails done and a couple of other bits and bobs. I haven't been into Hull City Centre for such a long time, but they've opened up the biggest boots I have literally ever seen. Okay, so I finished in Hull. The interview went really well. It was actually really nice to talk to her, and I'm having a photographer come to my house on Thursday to take the pictures for the like article, which is going to be cool. However, I finished running my errands. I had a few bits and bobs to pick up, and then I came to pay for my parking, and it cost £2 to park, which I thought fair enough, that's really good. And I thought I had £2 in change, but I didn't. So I tried to pay on my card and it just wouldn't accept it, and I was like, I had a £20 note, right? So I paid with a £20 note for £2, and I thought, oh, it'll give me change. It gave me my change in pound coins and 50p's. I have £18 in pound coins and 50p's now in my bag, which is so annoying. It's such a first world problem, but I was just like, what would I have done if I didn't have a £20 note on me? Like, what would I have done? Yeah, anyway, that's my current story. I'm excited to get home now. Really hungry. I know that we're having a really nice tea tonight as well, so I'm really excited about that because it's like half past 4, quarter to 5. I have been in now for around about nearly 2 hours, and my brother has just been helping me put all my finishing touches to my office, which is looking so good. I'm so happy with it. The final things I was just waiting on being delivered. Like I hadn't got a chair, I hadn't got any of the like accessories because I'd ordered them from a company called Formers, who kindly gifted me it. So I was just waiting for the delivery to come, but I was away anyway, so like I didn't really need it until this week, and perfectly it just arrived at the weekend. So yeah, I'm going to talk a lot more about their company in the office tour, but it's pretty much all done now. I've just got to like tidy up. There's so much stuff on the floor. I filmed that Topshop haul the other day and I haven't moved any of that stuff because the beauty of this room is that it's not my bedroom, so I can just close the door if I've made a mess on it, which obviously I'm not going to do. But like if I filmed a haul, obviously when I filmed it in my room I had to put it all away straight away, whereas in here the clothes are good to stay out if I need to reshoot it or anything. Basically, office is nearly done. I'm filming against the white wall because I don't want you to see it until next week. Hopefully that video will be out on Tuesday, but right now I'm about to go down and have tea. It smells amazing. I'm so excited for it. Then I think Harry and I are going to the gym. How good does this look? I don't know why the colour's a little bit out on the camera. That's really bizarre. It's not that orange in real life, trust me, but it just looks so good. I'm so excited to eat it. We also have some, is this tiger bread?
Salt and pepper bread, sorry.
Oh, salt and pepper bread, yeah. Mmm, delicious. Harry and I have come to the gym. It is pouring down with rain. Also, look how many baby heads I have. But yeah, it's raining a lot. We're gonna go inside now, do a workout. It has been like, oh, the lighting, an hour and a half since we ate, but I'm still really full. Like, I don't usually come to the gym after tea just because I find that I don't really enjoy it as much because I can't, well, I never really enjoy the gym just because I can't do as much because I'm still really full. So I'm gonna take it easy. I don't think I'm gonna do much cardio because I don't think running right now would really go down too well with all the pasta in my belly, but we're gonna go inside. Okay, hello guys, it's now Thursday. I actually haven't vlogged the last couple of days because I was filming a separate video that's going to be up on Thursday, I think. So it was so fun. I actually went to Leeds. You guys probably saw from my Instagram story if you follow my Instagram. But it is now Thursday, it's just after lunchtime, and I have quite a busy like worky day today. So I'm actually about to go and take some pictures for a brand which I'm so excited to be working with. Like I can't, yeah, I'm just so gassed that I'm working with them, but I'm going to go and take some pictures for them. now. We're all in the car, well, all minus Harry, because Harry's in school, because the photos require 2 people in this one. So I'm going to do that, and then later this afternoon I have a photographer coming around from the Hull Daily Mail. So earlier in this vlog you guys will have seen that I had my interview with the journalist from the Hull Daily Mail. They're actually sending a photographer, or like 2 photographers, I don't really know, to the house to take some pictures of me in like my work environment, which is so cool. Like, I'm so excited about that, and it's also really random. Like, I've never done anything like that before. Why are you offended? Yeah, my mum's like, I take your pictures, we didn't need a photographer. But I am excited about that, so that'll be really good as well. Also, this is the jacket that I got from my Topshop haul, and I love it. It's the softest thing ever. Okay, I'm back from taking those photos. It was actually quite stressful because you'll probably see them on my Instagram soon, hopefully, if they get approved. But like, they were just not straightforward to take. But I think they look cool. The ones I got I'm really happy with. Oh, also, oh my god, our living room's finished being renovated, or pretty much finished. So I'm just gonna quickly show you because I'm obsessed with it. So I'm pretty sure you'll remember what it looked like before. It was all like cream. We had a cream carpet, a cream sofa, and then like red curtains and red accessories. Look at this. So this is what the living room now looks like. We have a complete new fireplace, which just looks so pretty. It's like silver and white, really, really clean. And then we've got a new sofa, which is like charcoal grey with green accessories. I absolutely love it. This is like the comfiest thing ever. You can fit 2 people on here and it goes really far back. It's called a cuddle couch, which I think is so cute. And then we've got this sideboard just behind it here, which looks so nice. We're still waiting on like a blind and all of the wall accessories. Like, we don't have any pictures up or anything yet. And then next week somebody is coming to change the roof on the conservatory, completely take this off and just have a normal roof on it. And then this is becoming the dining room, so it's going to be like open plan, because obviously the doorway's here, so it just looks so much bigger, so much better. And like, it's definitely an improvement from last week, where in the vlog I said that there was a hole in the wall, because obviously now there is no longer a hole in the wall, which is really nice. But yeah, I'll show you again in next week's vlog when the conservatory is probably a bit more done. Obviously there's still a lot of stuff to do, but the living room generally is pretty much there. I really, really like it. The Hull Daily Mail people are arriving in about half an hour to take some pictures, so that's going to be nice. And I have tidying up to do before then, because I'm a mess. I'm a messy person, and I don't really want that mess in the photos. Just stay on now, right? Can't be.
I'm ready.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel.
Thank you.
Yeah?
That's good. Yeah, that's great.
Can you tell I've said that?
No, that's
before?
fine. No, that's good. No, that was good. That was good. I'll count you in this time properly instead of just putting my thumb up.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Yeah. The shorter it is, the better, because it's only.
We are now at the gym. It's been the busiest, most rushed afternoon ever. I'm joined with Tom, who is here, who is coming to the gym with me, and also with Harry. I have literally just finished taking the photos I was taking for a different brand, hence why I've come to the gym in a full face of makeup, because I didn't even get a free second to take the makeup off. So yeah, a little bit stressed out, but going to do a workout now in my new Fabletics stuff, which I'm very excited about.
Can I just say something?
Go on.
Can we get a brand deal with David Lloyd's, please?
Yeah,
just,
David
like,
Lloyd's, if you're listening.
gift us some passes, that'd be.
I have
that
a pass, I don't need gifted a pass.
Yeah, but imagine if we got gifted them.
Yeah, that would be cool. So I'm back from the gym. I realised I left my camera in the car. I just went to like look for it. I was like, oh my god, where's my camera? It was in my glove box. But I've just had tea, and now I'm just going to go back to editing some stuff. Today has just been one of those days where I haven't really actually physically done anything, but I've got a lot of stuff done, like content wise. Hey, look at the dog. Oh, you're so excited to be in a vlog. You haven't been in a vlog for a while. No. Okay. Oh. Oh, bear. So cute. Look how she bends in half. Does anybody else's dog bend like in half when they get excited? And then Erin is popping around in a little bit to drop off some stuff that she has that's actually mine, that she's had for a while at her house that we both just completely forgot about, but she goes back to uni at the end of the week, so she's dropping a dress off. And then yeah, I won't actually see her again now until on my birthday. Actually, she's coming to Leeds for my birthday, but yeah, everyone's gone back to uni. Hi. Hi. How's your nap going? How's your nap going?
What nap?
Hello everybody, today is now Friday and I haven't picked up the camera and it is the evening, so oops. But it's just been another one of those days where I've just been getting random odd bits and bobs done, like just boring stuff that's not worth filming. I mean, it's exciting, a lot of it is brand work. I've been really busy with brand work this week, which is so nice, that is a good thing, but it isn't the most interesting vlog. However, this evening I'm actually going out with my boyfriend Tom to a new bar that's just opened up in Hull. He won't tell me where it is or what it's called, and I don't know anything about it. I didn't even know a new bar had opened up, but apparently it has, and he's heard good things about it, so he was like, oh, let's go out on Friday night to this bar. So I thought I'd vlog a bit of that because I haven't really filmed much with Tom recently, and I thought it'd be a bit more interesting than me sitting on the sofa or in my office all day. But right now I'm about to have tea. I'm really excited. Then afterwards I kind of like need to do my makeup because I'm like half ready to go out. Harry is still over here fast asleep. It's because our new sofas are so comfy. They're like little beds in the living room. We are having lasagna tonight for dinner and this looks really good. I know a lot of people don't like lasagna, but like this is literally my favourite meal. I would pick this over anything ever. If you've ever been out to a restaurant with me for tea, this is what I get every time. Oh my god, it's really cold. It's too cold for this blouse, but I do like it. It's from Topshop. I'm just about to straighten my hair. I put a little bit of eyeliner on before I go out. Tom's coming to pick me up in about half an hour. If you're wondering what that is, which you probably weren't, but now you probably are, that is my art from my foundation year into portfolios. Yeah, I just thought I would update you. I'm straightening my hair. I straighten my hair with these GHDs. They're just the GHD Platinum Plus in white. But I get a lot of questions about it because I know a lot of you guys that watch have curly hair as well, or like naturally kind of wavier hair. And last week when I was in Amsterdam, I had straight hair for the whole weekend and a lot of people were like, oh, how did you get your hair so straight? I literally just use these and I just run them over my hair, kind of in sections. I have actually already straightened it today, so I'm just going over the bits that have frizzed up. But yeah, I think these are pretty good. Does it want to focus? It's weird because Tom and I are going on our own because all of our friends have gone back to uni, which is so good. Like, it's so nice for them because obviously they're all dead excited about going back and stuff, which is so nice. But it is weird because it means that for the first time I'm like totally on my own in my town because everybody's gone back, and obviously last year I wasn't here either. But also a few of our friends, in fact quite a lot of our friends actually did gap years last year or took a year out or worked for a year before going this year. So a lot of people have just left for uni for the first time. Like a lot of my friends are going into first year, so it is just a little bit bizarre because usually obviously we'd go for drinks like in a group or like with friends, but there's no friends left in Beverley to go for drinks with, so just the two of us. But I guess that's nice that we're both here. Obviously last year I was in Leeds and Tom was in Beverley. Yeah, it is bizarre. It's just been a weird week because obviously it's freshers and everyone's going out, and all over everybody's stories and stuff it's like them and their uni mates, and it just feels like summer didn't happen in a way. Like we've just gone back in time to like last freshers and they're all in their own little lives again, and now I'm kind of like, it's just so bizarre. But I'm not like bothered by it because I'm so busy at the moment that I haven't really had a chance to feel upset about the fact that I'm not doing it. But I think this week it has really made me realise that I have gone against like the social norm and that I'm not going back to uni, especially because all of my friends are at university. Like I don't have any friends that aren't doing a degree from my school, from my hometown. So yeah, it's a weird one. I'm just gonna go out and enjoy my drinks. I thought I'd just give you a little life update because that's how I'm feeling right now and what's been a big part of my week. This is their version of a sex on the beach. I don't have a clue what's in it because they didn't have an actual menu, so I just asked for a sex on the beach and this was what I got. I mean, it looks pretty good, but like, I mean, I don't know how this is gonna taste. But there's a firework display going on that we just happen to have witnessed. Everybody in the whole bar has stood up and started taking pictures out the window. We have come to the Sky Garden. They've got a rooftop bar at the top, and this is Hull from an aerial view. It looks actually pretty impressive. Really yeah, nice. It does. What's the blue light there? The BBC buildings.
What are you meant to do? Are you meant to mix it before you drink it? So, because I never actually know.
I hate doing it.
Do you?
Yeah, I like the fancy shit. Most people just throw in a shot of Jaeger and Red Bull. It's not meant to. You're obviously meant to put your shot glass in.
And then
you pour your Red Bull around it. But a lot of people just, so then you can nick your shot.
So there's no like set way you're doing it?
Not really.
guys, I'm actually going to end this vlog. It is the next day now. I stayed at Tom's last night after we were in the bars that you just saw. I actually really recommend that first bar that we went to if you're from Hull or the local area and you want something a little bit different. It's more of like a restaurant and a bar, but it does really good food. If you want in like a rooftop dining experience in Hull, which is so random, I've never heard of Hull having any other rooftop bar. Like, correct me if I'm wrong, which I probably am, but I was like the first of its kind that I'd been to. So it was called Junkyard Hull, and it is on the 12th floor of a building on Bond Street in Hull. So yeah, recommend checking it out if you are from around here. It's a little bit different, but it's cool. However, I'm gonna end the vlog now. I hope you have enjoyed it. I'm sorry that not that much has happened in it. It's just been a casual one, just been a chatty one, but sometimes you guys seem to like those more. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have, give it a huge thumbs up. I've got 2 videos out next week, which I am so happy with. So much fun to film. Both of them have been quite requested, and yeah, I'm just so excited for you to see them. So Tuesday and Thursday this week on my channel. Happy with the uploads going up, so subscribe so you see them down below, and I shall be back on Tuesday. Oh, also actually quickly, just before I end the vlog, the newspaper article that I was talking about at the beginning of this vlog and in the middle of this vlog is actually available to read online. Some of the details are a little bit out. There are quite a few things which aren't actually true, but I will leave a link to it down below if you want to read it, if you want to show it some support. That'd be amazing. Yeah, it was pretty cool. It was a weird experience, never done it before, but definitely check it out. As I said, not everything is accurate, but it's close. Like, it's not a million miles away. So yeah, that'll be linked down below as well if you do want to read it. Bye guys.